Hey, Petty Fam.
Hey, Petty Fam.
We're doing...
Queen brought this into the house without telling anyone.
Oh, what you do, girl?
Uh-oh.
Let's get into it.
It's your girl, Queen.
Hey, girl.
Today is Mother's Day.
Oh, happy Mother's Day.
Because
she got the CLAREBARE braids.
I had such a good day today, y'all.
I like the little dress.
Oh, I'm glad you had a good day, girl.
Maybe yesterday, CJ wasn't home yet, but I was just like, I just want my 2 boys, and I want to take them to a picnic. Ooh, that's going to be hopefully. Sorry, y'all. I'm like nervous. I'm scared of bees. So
Poor thing.
So, look, y'all. Today, Clarence left out this morning. And he went and got the picnic basket and the cooler and all that stuff and snacks and books and all that. And he's like, come on, we're going on a picnic. So I literally am so happy right now. The kids are over there playing. Clarence just took Legend down. I'm not sure if y'all could see him. He's down there with him walking in right now. So we already ate. We made just regular turkey and cheese sandwiches, and we got chips and muffins and things like that. He brought me flowers too this morning, so I'm having a pretty good Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yes, happy belated Mother's Day. Happy Father's Day to the fathers coming up.
Hard. I mean, it's not easy, but worth it, y'all. I'm about to put my shoes on and go down there and see the kids and play with them. Are you having fun?
No!
Are you having fun?
He was, he has to.
Mommy about to come play with y'all.
Oh, baby.
You made friends?
Oh, my God.
Let's see what they doing over here. Look at them.
Oh, they having big fun.
Hi, baby. What's that, a horsey? What is that?
It's a cow.
Oh, a cow? That don't look like no cow.
It's a bull.
You want to come get on the slide, baby? Come on.
He said, yeah.
Don't fall on that, 'cause that's gravel.
Oh, yeah, you're going to cut your knees up, baby.
Or the swing? You want to swing?
I'm trying to find
I
CJ.
love seesaws. Come here, baby. He goes super fast. Come on.
He really is fast.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
So. Let's go see Legend on the slide. If you want to. Leggy. You want to sit on your brother and go down together? Aw.
He's waiting for the slide too, CJ. So
Legend about to go down this slide. Look at him. Go, baby, go.
Oh, wow.
Yay.
You as tall as that slide, CJ. You tall as that slide. Lay on that slide. You tall as that whole thing. You want to go on a swing? Yeah, come on. Don't drop the camera, okay? Push me really high. But don't drop it. Hey, yeah.
Hi, boo boo.
Put it further.
CJ's gonna be so good at recording.
Okay.
Get a teenager, he gonna have the bottom channel.
Right. Guys.
What's up, CJ?
Yeah. Oh, he turned it around. Oh.
Thank you for sharing.
You want me to get the camera from you? Let mommy get the camera. Okay.
relax a little bit.
They're having fun.
You haven't stopped smiling yet.
Yeah.
Oh, she's a pro.
You heard him when you said daddy baby.
Yeah, I heard it.
Mommy's baby.
Nice, daddy's baby.
Say mommy's baby.
Yeah, I said what I said.
Right.
Whose baby are you? Daddy's?
Say everybody's baby.
A baby.
No, say mommy's baby. It's Mother's Day.
She said Mother's baby. All right, I get you today.
See what they doing. What y'all doing? Legend, you want to go spinning? Come here.
He's everywhere.
Come here, follow mama. Take him over here, babe. I want to spin him.
Oh, you know, they should do that
on this.
a challenge to see who goes to
you
who.
want to see like it?
Oh yeah, that'd be interesting.
Diaper change. Boy, you need to be potty trained. He know how to say potty, so it's time. Gotta change your diaper, okay? Why you keep saying bye-bye? We're not leaving yet. I'm just changing your diaper. You don't have to say bye-bye. Huh? Wait, CJ, your shoes. I'm coming down here because there's some horses down here. I want to get Leggie's reaction.
Oh.
What's that, Legend? What is it?
What's that? What's that?
What sound do it make? What sound the horse make? That boy ain't thinking
Yeah,
about
it's too much stuff going on.
Right.
Look at y'all horse.
That horse is kind of far away. Nice horse though.
Yeah, really pretty. What's that, Palomino?
Mm-hmm,
Come on, come see the horses. Come on.
Now you know CJ for it.
Right.
CJ, shh. You don't want to scare them, okay?
He said, excuse me.
Ooh,
Get
this
out the
thing
way.
is steep.
He petted it.
Really? CJ.
He's so polite.
Yeah.
CJ, be careful.
You can get that one if you want.
Come on this side, CJ.
You see it right there? Do you see it right there, buddy? Right there. The carrot. Grab the carrot.
CJ, look. Grab that carrot right there.
He's waiting for you to get it. There you go.
Hey, guy, give it to him. Give it to him.
Here, feed him.
Horsey.
Oh, wait. Closer.
Horsey. Let him see that one. Go ahead, let him see you. Go in front of him. There you go.
They won't hurt you. They won't hurt you. He doesn't see you
He
yet.
doesn't see it. He's looking. I think he's getting a
He's
little bit
looking.
of
He's like,
grass to
where are
cut.
these?
Wash down the carrots.
You know, it's difficult. They don't see. Remember, they only have, they see forward. Not, they can't see laterally.
He's just having some grass.
There he is. He smells it. Give it to him, Elon. He smells it.
Oh,
There
Okay.
you go.
there you go.
Give it to him. Put it in his mouth. That's crazy. He pet the horse?
Yeah.
You pet him?
He'll get it. He'll get it.
Maybe you could pet him soon. Just let him. Do you want another one, buddy?
Let him, he'll put his head up in a minute.
Buddy, do you want another one? Say thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, so the sun is going down now.
Those people were
We
nice.
packing
Yeah.
up, getting ready to leave, pack everything up. CJ's down there still playing. But, yeah, it was a very chill vibe.
Oh, that's nice.
Look at that. Damn near by ourselves. Look at this.
Yeah, that's social
There's like people
distancing.
over there. There was like a couple over there, but we were literally by ourselves, the only people picnicking. And at the same time, the kids could go to the park and have fun. This is what they
Yeah.
asked for. You know what I'm saying? She been asking for this for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I never thought I would go picnicking. You know what I'm saying? That's not something I like to do. You know what I'm saying? But it was cool. But yeah, at least she got her, you know, what she wanted, and she had fun on her day.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I tried to stress to see, really CJ and the boys that, you know, it's her day. You know what I mean? You gotta take care of her. You know what I'm saying? Make sure she's good and have a good day. But we had a very good day. Legend is tired and he's a mess. Legend, come over here.
What?
Over here.
We also going home because I decided to get a green couch.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Legend, come here, Papa.
Yeah, we got some furniture at the crib waiting. So
Muffin.
we about to get out of here.
Yo.
He's about to be done. About to get out of here. We got some furniture waiting at the crib. Sun's going down. Everybody's pretty much leaving. So we about to get out of here. And it look like it's about to rain. So
Uh-oh.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I never got to finish the vlog. I never got to show y'all the couch. I have on totally different clothes, y'all, because it's not Mother's Day no more. I always do that. We always end up doing that. But let me show you guys my couch before I end this vlog and my idea. You want to say hi to the vlog? Because you're getting up. What's up?
Hi, boo-boo.
Hey.
This glove.
And here's your
Oh.
guys.
My cousin.
Your cousin? Okay,
That
he has a
was
best
nice.
friend. He calls his cousin.
No.
I'm about to take the
He
kids.
said no.
He's
My
not
cousin.
my best friend. He's my cousin.
Okay, bet then. That's fine. You ain't got to be blood to be cousins.
Because he said he's my cousin.
Okay. Well, before I show them the couch, let me ask you a question. Remember the park we went to on Mother's Day when we had a picnic? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you something. Do you want to go back to that park?
I want to go back to that park and the zip line park.
The zip lining park? Was it fun? Did you have fun on Mother's Day? Do you know what Mommy's Day mean? What does Mother's Day mean?
You can do whatever you want.
Who?
You.
Me? For Mother's
So
Day?
smart.
And Mother's Day is for everybody to love Mommy, right? But you love me every day, right? I know you do. I know you do. All right, y'all. Let me show y'all this couch. Legend, want to say hi? Oh, y'all. By the way, Legend's been on and off with. Well, that's not a bottle. That's not a regular bottle, y'all. That's a
sippy cup.
That's like a beginner sippy cup. He's still been on that. It has like the silicone nipple and everything. But he's been on and off with the regular cup and that one. So I'm trying to get him fully off. So before y'all talk crap, yeah.
Who's talking crap? He get a sippy cup.
Right.
He walked off. I like it. Nice.
So y'all,
It
look at
looks
the
so
beautiful
comfortable.
couch.
I like how it set up the room too.
This is so cute to me, y'all. Honestly,
is
I'm not gonna
cute.
lie.
It do look
I was a
comfortable.
little. They didn't have the couch I wanted that like didn't have the little.
I like those
squares on it,
things.
but I just went ahead
It
and
like
I
they
got
gonna
it.
feel
Hey,
comfortable.
hey, 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 hey.
He
Hey,
won't
no,
touch. Can't sit on the couch.
Go into the other couch.
He
Go
got
into
a
the other
white
couch.
glove.
The couch all messed up. No, see that.
He said it looks so
Stop playing with
comfortable.
me. This is my couch. I have a. And
Y'all comment
That
below.
green ain't gonna get that dirty.
so y'all,
Comment
this is
below.
my
Might as well
Yeah.
put some plastic over it.
Come on, if you had a mom or grandma who wouldn't sit on certain couches.
I think I might do like a white. What Legend?
He gonna run over
What's
there.
wrong? I might do like a white pillow and a gray look, and like kind of mix in the silver and gold. These are gold, but I have silver ones to switch out if I want to do that too.
Oh, that's
But I
nice.
cannot wait to put all this together. I took the plants out of here because they wasn't the same color green. I'm getting rid of that silver table. Everything is just everywhere right now. It looks crazy, but
She
I
got a
promise y'all, when I
plan.
finish
We
this,
see
it's
your
gonna be so
vision,
cute.
girl.
Yeah.
Those are the pillows to that couch, and we're getting rid of that couch soon too. We're getting the same exact couch, but just a darker gray, like more like those chair color grays. We really have a lot to work on with this house. But yo, girl, I have to go run some errands. I have to go get a wax. You feel me? Because vacation's coming up really soon. We're gonna have footage for that. I guess we'll reveal that later on where we're going. But I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. We're going.
Oh,
And yeah,
girl, you hit yourself hard.
And yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all my couch and finish off this vlog because it wasn't enough. But yeah, y'all, you girls have to go run, do some errands, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Mwah.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been